Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I just wanted to talk about how much I made for 2022. Yes, 2022. I opened my shop in 2009 and I am 38,000 subscribers at the moment. What I receive is only YouTube takes off the 20% of my income. So if I receive $100, I only get paid $80 because I live in Canada. Most of my subscribers, my watchers, my followers are from the USA. Therefore, they take off the 20%, whichever I make. So I just wanted to point out. And the money that I receive goes for yarn, supplies, crochet hook, knitting needles, and so on. Yarn, of course, and they're very expensive. So I'm just going to show you on my YouTube channel how much I made for 2022 from January 1st to December 31st. So you can get the idea. And don't forget, the 20% is taken off because I live in Canada. I'm a Canadian. So I'm just going to turn the camera. Okay, so here it is. I made $1,345.21. But don't forget they take that 20% off. So I just made over 1,000. This is in Canadian, just to point out. This is in Canadian dollars I receive. So in American, it's like 800. So here we are from January 1st to 2022 to December 31st, 2022. So this is what I made. And I have just over 38,000 subscribers. Here we are. Okay, so on a cell phone, this is how my channel looks like. And I have total of 909 videos at the moment. I am aiming for 1,000, and I'm sure 2023 I will make 1,000 videos. So I just wanted to come and show you my channel, talk about my channel and how much I make. I hope this is helpful for new ones who wants to open a YouTube channel. You need to work on it. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.